This video is a tutorial on how to access some pre-installed background pictures that you may not even know you have on your Mac, and also how to add the folders that they're located in to your system preferences so that they're there for easy access in the future. So we'll begin by opening a new Finder window, and we're going to search for screensavers. Now there's three folders here. We have one that is located on your hard drive, library, and then screensavers. We have a second one that's located in your home folder, library, and screensavers. And the third one located on your hard drive, system, library, screensavers. Now, all three of these libraries and screensaver folders are different. And if you're interested in what each one is, where it is, and what it contains, you can click the link in the description. So what we're going to do now is access a folder in which these pictures you may not even know that you have are located. And the folder that it is in is the one that's under Macintosh HD, Library, Screensavers. So we'll double click this, and you see the default collections. I'm going to change the view so that you can see the location from a different perspective. Macintosh HD under your device, Library, System Preferences, Default Collections. And here are the folders right here. Now some of these pictures are in your System Preferences by default, but some of them are not. So I'm going to do a quick preview for you and let you check out what's in here so that you can decide on your own if this is something that you even want to bother with. And we have Arial, Cosmos, in this picture right here, I actually just airdropped to my iPhone and set it as the background picture for my phone. If you're interested in how to set up airdrop, you can click the link in the description as well. And the last folder that we have is Nature Patterns. And that top one was my favorite. I'm actually from New England and it's September right now, so this is what things are going to be looking like pretty soon for me up here. Alright, so anyways, now to add these folders to your system preferences, all we need to do is click on the Apple icon, System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver, and we have our default pictures right here. These are the ones most people are probably already familiar with. And then down here we have the option where we can add additional folders. So I'll click the plus button right there, and again I'm going to search for screensavers right here. And then we just find the one containing the default collections, this one right here. And we'll begin with this National Geographic one. So I'll choose that, and that's been added, and all the pictures are in there. And to get back to that default folder, we click right here, Default Collections, and we go back. And in case you're wondering, if I press Shift and then the down arrow, I cannot select multiple folders at once. And also if I click Command and then try to select them with my mouse, it's not working either. So we have to select one folder at a time. And if you're thinking, why don't we just do this? It's actually a good idea, but if we do, I'll choose that. You can see that it doesn't let me select anything. And the reason is that you have to select the lowest level folder that actually contains the pictures themselves. It's just the way that the operating system was set up. So if you have a folder in here you want to get rid of, all you have to do is select it, select the negative sign, and it's gone. So we'll add the second folder, third one, and for this last folder I want to show you another thing that you may not be aware of, which is if we go back to it, if I select just one picture in here, say this one, and do choose, it's actually going to add the entire folder. So I just wanted to point that out. And the last thing I want to mention before I end this video is you also have the option of just right-clicking on any picture and setting it as a desktop picture like that. So that's it. That's how you access the hidden backgrounds that come pre-installed in your Mac, and it's also how you add and remove folders from your system preferences so that they'll be there for easy access in the future. Hope you found the video helpful. Stay tuned for more.